Hello Alfissi. So today I'm gonna install a dashcam, a bus dashcam, and the first steps I'm going to do is to find out where exactly I want to fit it. So I tried this area here, but I think this area is not so good because you see you don't see so much, and I would recommend doing it here above the sensor. Just put it here, so if you look like this, it's not in your way, so you don't have to see the display, and so it's a good position to fix it there. So just pull this open. Damn. Definition. So pull this up like this. Make sure you get neutral in, and you see here there are two clips you have to get rid of. So you see down here I already made a hole for another thing for the ambilight. So normally you have this clip here, so I just destroyed it and put the cable in here. So put the cable in here and then move it through here till you get it out here. So this end you go through, and then you pull it through. You have to first loosen these screws here. This one, this one, and this one, this one, this one, and that one. So now I got the screws off. You could just pull this thing off here, you see, put it away, put it on the side. So you see this here, you could just pull this off like that, so you get enough space now. So you now see I got the cable through here and then going up here, yeah, and from there on put it in here, and from there you can go down, so it comes out here, yeah, and from here on you could just go down here. So make sure it's not in these holes here, because there are the clips from this thing there. So now you see I got the cable here, down here, and make sure this doesn't go into this clip. And we've got everything ready. It should come out on this side here. Okay. So ready here. I'm gonna put everything back together. So we're all set here. You got this one for the dash cam, and I got this one for my ambilight. So I'm gonna get a get a piece which comes out here and has two, so you can put these two in. So this is my best solution. So I got the camera position. I think this is the best position for it. So you can see on the display, it sees, as you can see, everything you want. There's nothing in the way, and from this side it's directly in the mirror line here, so it won't disturb you. Yeah, normally I use these tools here to push it in a little bit, push it around here, yeah, down here, and from there on this side down here, yeah, all the way down. You will notice in here there's a little bit space, so you could go the cable, put the cable in here, and the rest of the cable just push it in here. So now you see I put the cable in here, just push it in real hard. This is a little bit difficult, you have to push it a little bit faster, a little bit harder. And then I went down here, you see, in here, complete into this one here, this section down here, and then you just push it. You just go with your hands down here and just give a little push. Just push it in. You will notice the cable will be gone. So yeah, no more cable. Everything's set. The camera is ready. And the next step is to we're going to install a back camera back there. So we got front and back cameras, and yeah, this will just be the next step. So you see, this is the back camera, and the other part where it goes into the camera is this, and so it comes in here. I just went in here up the roof. We're gonna just go from here, the second cable for the rear camera down here, and then we're just gonna go on this way back. You see here, you could easily just go under here and just put the cable in. So this is very easy. So see you in the back. So I'm gonna move this cable here through this here because I think it's the best way. And to do that, you have to get rid of this plastic. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you have to watch out. There's one more screw where the lamp goes in. You just have to pull this out. So it's just with 2 clips in, and you have to get rid of this one. So it's 12 screws. So if you got that, you have to loosen this screw and this screw. Finally, I got this cable through here. You see, I got it through. Don't ask me how I did it. I just took my finger, pushed it in like that, and tried to get it out here. So I got it here. I removed all this stuff here to get this a little bit loose, and so watch out, I broke them all. I don't know how to get these things off, but I'm sure it's no problem because you can clip them in again, and there are also screws, so don't worry. So finally I got the camera in position. There's just some glue I have to put under there so it's clean. So get everything back to place, all the screws in back, put the things on, and yeah, we'll see how it looks like. So we're all set. Camera's on. Everything's clean, no cables. There it is. So now you can see it's ready. You got the back camera on this side here, right side up, and the front camera. So everything's ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't expect that it was so much work. Putting a cable all around back there, but I think it's a good it's good. I did a good job. So bye bye.